Hey everyone, so in this demo I'll show you how you can use the SigmaMind MCP server to run voice agent workflow directly from your preferred AI coding environment. So with MCP you can do everything using simple command. Let's take a look. So first we are going to purchase a phone number using simple instruction. How can I purchase a phone number on SigmaMind? So here you can see, to purchase a number you'll need to provide the country code, area code and the friendly name label to help you identify the number, for example support line. Inbound agent ID, outbound agent ID. If you want to map any agent with this number, you can give the agent ID here as well. And this agent ID you can get from SigmaMind AI platform itself. Yes, I want to purchase number now. So we need to provide the country code. Here I am not going to give the area code because that's not mandatory here. I'm just going to give the friendly name to just identify the number. So now I'm not going to map any agent ID with this. So let's just purchase a phone number here. So you can see the new number is added to my this account. So let's check the platform if this number is added to the account or not. So you can see here the marketing test number 9624 is already added to the account. Now next let's initiate a phone call from here. So you can see I have just given the instruction. Now I want to initiate a phone call. Then here it is asking me two number and the agent ID. So this is the ID of that agent that we want to handle the call. So here you can see in the bottom we can also map what number should we call from. So I'm going to use this number only we just purchased now. Now I need to give two number and the agent ID, and this agent ID let me show you where you can get from. So this is the agent I want to map with that number, and here is the agent ID. I'm just going to copy this agent ID from here and agent ID. Yes, you can see here I'm getting call now.
Hi there, this is Mia at Blue Peak Insurance. How can I assist you today?
So now the phone call is initiated, and next we'll fetch the call details. We just need to give the instructions like please fetch last call details. This is the call ID and the status is ended. The call type, agent, the start time, end time and duration. All informations we are getting from our last call. So you can also confirm this on the platform itself. So this is the conversation just happened with this phone number, and the call status is ended and the agent name is receptionist for health insurance, and same details we got here as well. All of this can be done within your existing tool and workflow using MCP. Try it out. Thank you.